It should rust.
Salita ka sa Pilipinas.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. According to Tito, you need to talk.
It's not, it doesn't really count.
Oh, you had this guy.
Oh my gosh, so poor. Baby, look. Baby, look.
I don't think we should get it.
I think he got hooked.
He lifted up.
Have a look at how it's been.
Definitely calm down.
Just have a look.
Yo, so poor. I need to remove it. Yeah.
I think it's 6 O's too. Too big.
It has green eyes.
You get, I think they're gonna. No.
Which one?
How do you cut it with the light of it?
Turn the line.
Scissor.
You're not gonna take the hook out.
No.
You can't take the hook out.
Pull duck.
I've never seen someone do it.
You still hooked it up.
It's not going much. Oh.
Oh, the hook's gone already.
Oh my.
Come off already, the hook. Come off the hook already. Hey! Woohoo! Ouch!
Oh!
Don't bite me! Ouch! Don't bite me! Alright.
Okay.
We're gonna release it. Ouch!
Oh my.
Ouch!
Okay. My God.
Yeah, baby. I'm gonna release the hook come off already. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Okay.
I release it back already.
Bro.
1, 2,
2.
3. Yeah.
Don't throw him!
Woohoo!
Nice.
Thank you very much.
Let go of an amazing dinner.
Yes, thank you. The one who cuts the bird is Alan, all right?
No.
They're not gonna roast it. Just we put it back. Thanks, buddy. All right. And the one who make a video is Rasa. Yeah. The audience is, what's your name? Adele. Thank you. All right.
The duck demolished that.
Yeah. And how you caught that one?
Oh, it's on the float. So you know how they sit on the surface. So when the bait's floating out, obviously it's
Alan
not
caught me there, you know. The floater. We used the floater. That's why.
Yeah.